Welcome to Friday, October 2nd. Today you have a mind stretcher that is in Canvas for you to do where you will be interpreting a data table. And you use the clues here, and I've highlighted roots since we've been focusing on roots this week, highlighting the different roots to help you break down the words and notice multi. Usually when you hear that means many, and then cell. So a multicellular organism would have many cells. And then so you're looking for a category that has many cells that also does photosynthesis. Photo means light and synth means to make. So they're making something with light. And you know by now that they're making their food. So you're looking for a kingdom that is multicellular and photosynthetic in today's mind stretcher. Then next up, you have a classification video and a 3-2-1 summary. You guys have done 3-2-1 summaries before and did a very good job at it. So just like last time, what I recommend you doing is just watching the video first time through. Then the second time, that's where you stop and start it to jot down your important facts, and then look at your facts and what does that make you think it means and different inferences, and then draw one conclusion. It's important to know this because for the last one, it's important to know this because please don't relate it to pass a test or to do well in class. Relate it to something scientific or to the bigger world and what the importance of classifying is. And then finally, the last thing we have today, we're starting with Unit 2 in the second 6 weeks. We have a running Padlet. And every morning class, every on-level bio class has their own. And you'll see that it's divided by weeks. So this is week 2.1. I also have the date. So all your postings will be in this column today. And so this will pretty much be a Friday activity where we go back and reflect on the week and look, what were the three key terms, three most important terms you think that week were? And then, let's see, let me show you an example. And then this is an example of your posting. You're going to post the word, post your definition, and then find a graphic that you think is really representative of that word. And for the graphics, the easiest thing I can recommend is if you go to Google Image, and then you can right-click and do Save Picture As. Just save it to your desktop temporarily. Let's see, let me show you here. And I'll just do a demo here. And once you have a picture saved, you can get and upload it from your computer. And I already picked this file, so I went to my desktop, I picked the file, and you can pick, like, I could pick this one, boom. And then they'll upload it for you, and they'll post it, okay? So let me trash that. So it's that easy. If you have an image already, you can use that. If you have a drawing, you can use that. So it allows you, if you click on these three dots, it shows you can't see it down here. Let me see, let me scroll up. There, and you can change the colors of your posting. And this is in edit mode because I'm the editor of it. So it does allow you to do a number of things. You can go back and you can edit your post also. But for the picture, you'll need to find a picture, save it to your desktop or wherever you have your graphics, and then upload it from there is how you're going to do that. And that's what we have to do today. And so the thinking on this and the reflection comes that you have to prioritize what were the key terms. And to do that, let me see here. What I would do is I would look through Canvas. I would look at my targets that we have. And then I would look back at you have Power Notes. What were key terms that figured in there? You have some words in your mini lesson you can look at. You have today's video that you can look at and pick. But I would focus on my targets and the activities that we did. You also had this virtual investigation. So that is today's lesson in a nutshell. So notice the blue notebook means that you will put your 3-2-1 summary in your notebook. And if you look at Padlet, you see the upload, which means it's going into Skyward, and this will be 18 points. So you have 6 items, 6 sentences, so they're 3 points each is how the 18. And then for your posting on Padlet, the picking the term is 3 points, the definition is 5, and then your graphic is 5 for a total of 13 points for your vocab this week. Hope you have a good weekend.